Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we off guys color correction setting in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to off guys your phone color correction setting. So friends, how can you off guys your phone color correction setting guys? Today I will show you, I will tell you. And friends, you can see guys your skin color is different guys. You can see your icon color is also different. So friends, how can we off this color setting guys? Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting I scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone guys this is accessibility setting guys. Tap on guys this accessibility setting guys. Tap here. As you can see this third option visibility guys, tap here and scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your color correction guys, tap here. Friends, you can see color correction is on, so I will off guys our phone color correction. Friends, color correction will off. And friends, you can see guys your icon color is normal. And friends, your skin color is also normal. You can see your icon color has come back. So like that guy we can off guys our phone color correction settings. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.